Got my memory card. Welcome back, everybody. Quick 10-second intro. So, gas tank is in. We're going to see if Frank will stay running. Get it up to temp. Hopefully everything works okay. We got new wheels and tires for this in this episode. Show you some floor pans, what we did to Frank, what we did in my wife's car, what we did with my friend's car. Good, better, best, or okay, better, best. Remember, this car's been sitting since 1997 until 2023. And now it's 2024, we're working on it. So, have your memory card. R&R. Needs to get primed, I think, somehow. Call my friend Dan. Yeah, it stays running when the bowl's full. I need it to stay running. See, something's pissing at the bottom. What the hell is that? I'm pouring it in. It's pissing out the bottom. What the hell is it coming from? Do I have a hole in the fuel line?
It could be. Let us know if this looks good or bad.
We gotta fix that.
What the
There's just all oil burning off. The T-tops leak, which is good. That means it's on par for everything else. Back up again. Well, it still runs, so that's good. And we gotta fix all the leaks. Gas leak. That. Consensus, it does run. So it's the fuel is staying in there, so we're doing well. I just don't know what all the smoke means. We'll see what happens. We did Frank's floor pans. We did them quick just to get them done, just to get this thing to pass inspection. So what you're seeing is just real quick, bang it out, get it done, it'll pass inspection. My wife's floor pans are different. We had actual floor pans, we cut all the rust out of it, put the new floor pans in, welded them in, seam sealed around them. My buddy's floor pans, we did these a year ago in a full-blown restoration, rotisserie. His are the best. We finished the top of it, we finished the underside of them. You can't even tell that the thing had floor pans in it. It looks beautiful. Unbelievable. So 3 different ways to do floor pans. Okay, better, and really the best way, but best is overkill if you want like a super awesome looking car. I like put mirrors under it. So that's what my buddy does when we take it to shows. So those are 3 different types of floor pans we've done. Just so you know, I'm not a hack. I actually can do nice work. New haircut, wheel delivery. It's wheelie wheels. All right, look at that, new sneakers. Good job, Max. So video mock-up. We're having a weird, it's being weird in the front. Don't know why. They're Monte Carlo wheels. Don't know why they're feeling funny on the front. All right, so Frank's exhaust on his car looks a lot like, this is my exhaust for my Bandit car. Comes into 2 pipes, go into one, come like this, into a cat, and then the single exhaust goes back to the muffler and splits out. So, I went to O'Reilly Auto Parts, and what did I do? I bought this, because I need to get rid of this. So I bought some pipe to get rid of that, so we can put Frank's exhaust together. So that's what we're doing, eliminating that on Frank. So kids, don't start with a car like this. I just did this for fun. This was just kind of something to do. I wanted to do it. Start with something more solid, like this car. That's what this car is supposed to be. Because I had a lot of parts up in my parts store, barn. That's the only reason why I did this. It didn't cost me a lot of money. Something like this will nickel and dime you to death. I had a radiator. I had pieces for this car. So make sure you want a whole complete car. Start with that. Don't start with something that's going to need everything, because it'll kill you. You're better off just buying a car already done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Got my memory card so I can remember what to say. We didn't get too far today, but we got it running. Didn't get it up to temp. I'll do some more stuff tomorrow, which will be in the next video. Let me know where you're listening from, so I know. So Lake George is in 33 days. How far are we going to make it? Does anybody know? Richard says it shouldn't even be in the show. I like to see stuff like this. Keith thinks we're going to make it the whole way. Thanks, Keith. So, if you'd like to own a piece of Frank, just pay for shipping. We will send these to you free. And we have a piece of rug, and this, the piece de resistance, the 1 bolt in the front radiator support that was holding Frank together. And we have a piece of rug, carpet if you'd like, and I'm not sending that whole thing, that's too much money. But anyways, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and I will get to you. And say no to quack.